Kho Ren House by M+TRO.studio In Hue, Vietnam. Kho Ren is a residential development designed to meet the housing requirements of a two-generational family consisting of 5 members. The housing project is situated near the An Cuu River in Hue City, on a land area with a combination of zigzag roads covering 100 square meters. Despite some disadvantages related to the land shape, house orientation, and limited land use, one advantage is the refreshing breeze from the An Cuu River. During the spatial planning process, we allocated a space extending from the entrance gate to the house boundary, aligning it with the An Cuu River. This arrangement promotes natural air circulation, benefiting the interior spaces by enhancing connections between rooms, providing natural light, and ensuring ventilation. Rather than opting for conventional layouts, we embraced the land's unique shape. Open spaces, connected to the central courtyard, serve as shared areas for family activities, whether it's chess games among younger members or morning tea for the parents, creating a distinctive feature inspired by the land's specific contours. To address heat exposure on the west-facing facade, we've implemented a dual-layer solution. The first layer consists of green patches spanning from the ground floor to the rooftop. The second layer, directly exposed to the sun, comprises concrete hanging walls and brick walls. These suspended concrete walls serve two purposes, providing rain protection and shading while maintaining views toward the An Cuu River. Effective natural lighting and ventilation further contribute to minimizing reliance on artificial energy. When constructing a project, we recognize the impact on the environment and prioritize sustainability. Material choices are carefully considered based on climate appropriateness. For instance, concrete is preferred for the west-facing facade due to the extreme weather in central and Vietnamese regions, minimizing damage and maintenance compared to wood or iron. We also incorporate features like steel grating panels for stairs and floors, ensuring natural light and circulation. Large sliding glass doors maintain unobstructed views, while wood creates a cozy interior ambience, harmonizing with materials like concrete and steel or glass. Kho Ren serves as a protective haven for family members, ensuring comfortable living during hot summer days and cozy warmth during cold winters.